In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy WordPress hosting through SiteGround with a step-by-step setup tutorial. If you're looking to host your WordPress site on a reliable platform, SiteGround is a great choice. Let's dive into the specifics of getting set up smoothly. Our first move is to visit SiteGround's official website. Open your web browser and type in the URL world.siteground.com. This will take you to their homepage where they emphasize their commitment to delivering exceptional web hosting services. It's important to start here because it gives you a glimpse into what the company offers and ensures you're on the right track from the beginning. Once on the homepage, locate and click on the login link. Generally, you'll find this in the top right corner of the website. Clicking here will direct you to a page where you can either log in with your existing credentials or set up a new account if you haven't done so yet. For those who are new, simply follow the instructions to create a new account and keep your login details handy for future use. After logging in, you'll be taken to SiteGround's user dashboard, otherwise known as the SiteGround Home. This dashboard is your central hub for managing your hosting services and settings. It's ergonomically designed to help you find all the options you need with minimal fuss. Spend a moment familiarizing yourself with this space, as it will be your go-to area for managing your hosting plans. Now from the dashboard, locate the Marketplace option and click on it. The Marketplace is where you discover SiteGround's most popular services and products. This area provides a variety of hosting solutions tailored for different needs, ensuring that every user can find a plan that fits their requirements perfectly. In the Marketplace, your next step is to click on Hosting. You'll find this categorized under the different services SiteGround offers. Clicking on Hosting will present you with various hosting packages, each designed for specific scenarios like websites, email, or other applications. Carefully review these options and consider the technical requirements of your WordPress site, such as the expected traffic and resource needs. Finally, it's time to select a hosting package that suits you best. SiteGround offers several plans, each with unique features and pricing. Consider factors such as storage, bandwidth, and additional features before making your choice. Once you've made up your mind, follow the on-screen prompts to complete your purchase, and there you have it, you're now ready to host your WordPress site with SiteGround. Throughout this process, take your time and do not hesitate to reach out to SiteGround's customer support for assistance if needed. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.